Homemade chocolate vanilla cupcakes. Let's get started. In a bowl, crack the eggs. Add the sugar. Beat it with a mixer. Mix until it's light and fluffy. Add in oil, milk, and vanilla. Mix well. Sift in the flour. Add baking powder. Mix in clockwise direction. Pour half cup batter into a bowl. Add in cocoa powder. Mix well. Add a little yellow coloring to the vanilla batter. Line the tray with cupcake liners. Fill halfway with the vanilla batter. Now add small amounts of the chocolate batter. Make sure to swirl it. Top it off with more vanilla. Tap the tray 3 to 4 times. Place in preheated oven. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes. Rising perfectly. Check the cupcakes. Brush them with sugar, water, or milk. They will stay moist and soft. Looking so beautiful. Full recipe in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you like these soft marbled cupcakes. The kids love them. Very good for school lunches. Make sure to try it and follow me on Facebook. See you next time.